Kenosha Tower, Cardinal 737 Whiskey Papa, holding short 25 right, ready for takeoff.
Cardinal 7 Whiskey Papa, Kenosha Tower, proceed on course westbound, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, proceed on course westbound, 737 Whiskey Papa. All right, strobes coming on, landing light on. Flaps are 10, mixture's rich, cowl flaps open, that's open. Good to go. Clear on the right.
Clear on the right.
All systems are good. Got a nice long runway here. Here we go. Full power. Right rudder. And power set. Engines in the green. Positive rate, gears coming up. Pump is on.
Never gets old.
How's the mirror look? And
Gears are going up. I no longer see rubber.
yep, and flaps up.
And that is so cool.
And we're bringing the prop back to 25. Get rid of a little of that noise. Gear is up, got the orange light. Always looking for traffic.
Yep, okay.